Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about bookkeeping tasks you should complete weekly. Reconcile bank and credit card transactions. Let's get into the video. Reconcile bank and credit card transactions. Bank and credit card reconciliation is one of the most crucial weekly bookkeeping tasks. This process ensures that the transactions in your accounting software align with your bank statement. Why it's important? Reconciling your accounts helps identify errors, detect unauthorized charges, and ensure your financial data is accurate. How to do it? Compare your accounting software records with your bank and credit card statements. Match each transactions to ensure all deposits and payments are recorded correctly. Investigate and resolve discrepancies immediately. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.